times require flexible productivity capable of small volume multi-type production on the same production line. These days, this type of production is important in SMT production. This type of production has created demand for one machine capable of efficiently doing it all. Have you ever had trouble with unexpected losses from head replacement, where both speed and versatility are needed? Losses from production stoppage due to downtime for head replacement. Losses from equipment costs for spare replacement heads. Line balance losses. Are production losses caused by ever smaller and diverse components unavoidable? No. For Zelex, these are not unavoidable matters. What makes this possible is using only one head to handle a wide range of components and at the same time maintaining speed at the fastest level to deliver top-level production performance. The Zelex achieves all this with a one-head solution, an ideal concept for SMT production. On the Zelex, the operator can select from either a HM high-speed multi-purpose head or a FM flexible multi-purpose super wide-range type head. Either head guarantees the user wide-ranging versatility without head replacement. The HM head, with its 10 nozzles, has the versatility to handle components from 03015 to 45 × 100 mm and heights up to 15 mm. However, high versatility alone is not enough to provide the power to handle everything. So the Zelex also provides speeds of 90,000 cph under optimal conditions, making it the fastest in its class worldwide. The FM head is a 5-nozzle head. All heads support load control function. The FM head handles components from 03015 to 55 × 100 mm and in component heights up to a surprising 28 mm. The powerful component handling versatility from super tiny components to ultra tall components is what truly sets it apart from others. Both heads come with a side view camera as a standard. The missing components and components pickup status are detected with no lost time and high mounting quality is ensured. The superb versatility of the Zelex can also be seen in handling diverse production configurations with a structure capable of meeting optimal specs at the customer work site. Customers can select from a one-beam type